Supersonic trains and jets represent cutting-edge transportation technologies designed to achieve speeds beyond the sound barrier, providing rapid and efficient travel. Definition: supersonic refers to speeds greater than the speed of sound, which is approximately 343 meters per second, 125 feet per second, in the Earth's atmosphere. Supersonic jets. Jet aircraft capable of flying at supersonic speeds have been in operation since the mid-20th century, with iconic examples like the Concorde and military jets. Efficiency and time saving. Supersonic travel significantly reduces travel time, making it an attractive option for long-haul flights and intercontinental travel. Hypersonic speeds. Beyond supersonic speeds, hypersonic speeds, Mach 5 and above, are being explored for even faster travel, with potential applications in military and space exploration. Boomless supersonic jets. Ongoing research aims to develop boomless supersonic jets that minimize or eliminate the sonic boom, allowing for more widespread supersonic travel over land. Boom-reducing designs. Aircraft designers are exploring aerodynamic configurations and materials to mitigate the intensity of sonic booms, potentially enabling overland supersonic flight. Maglev trains. Maglev, magnetic levitation. Trains use magnetic fields to suspend and propel the train above the tracks, reducing friction and allowing for high-speed travel. Japan's maglev train, SCMAGLEV. Japan's superconducting maglev, SCMAGLEV, train has set world speed records, reaching over 600 kilometers per hour, 373 miles per hour, in test runs. Hyperloop concept. The Hyperloop is a proposed high-speed transportation system that uses pressurized capsules in low-pressure tubes, theoretically allowing for supersonic travel. Propulsion technologies. Supersonic jets typically use turbofan or afterburning engines, while maglev trains use electromagnetic propulsion systems. Fuel efficiency challenges. Supersonic flight consumes significant fuel, leading to challenges in making supersonic travel economically and environmentally viable. Regulatory hurdles. Overland supersonic travel faces regulatory hurdles due to noise concerns, with many countries restricting or banning flights that produce sonic booms over populated areas. Commercial interest. Despite challenges, there is renewed commercial interest in supersonic air travel, with companies developing new supersonic business jets and commercial aircraft.